Hello, teacher.
How are you?
My name is Bella.
Oh, well, Bella, how are you?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Boom. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let me fix this one for you so you can move freely. Alright, good job. Here, let's start with the letters and the sound, okay? Letter, go.
A.
Letter A, go. A sounds.
A. Letter B sound B. Letter C sound G. Letter D
Sound.
letter E sound F. Letter F sound.
Good job. Now let's move on to the sound. Beginning sound. That's the sound or beginning sound of the word. Okay, here. What's this? Up.
Train.
And.
And
Good job. Here.
candy. Clock.
Very good. Da. Giraffe.
Drum.
Good.
Drum.
Good. Yes, great job, Bella. Now let's move on. Okay, we have another one here. Fire.
Firefighters. Fog.
Yes. Now let's move on to the last part, Bella. Here is the farm. What do you see? I see
I see an apple.
apples. How many apples? 1.
5.
5 apples. What's the color? It's
Red.
red. Do you like apples?
Z.
Yes. What's the beginning letter? Letter A. Sounds. Great. Next. What animal is it?
Bird.
Bird. What's the beginning letter?
B.
Letter
B.
Sounds.
B.
Good job. Alright, now let's move on to another animal. Oops, what animal is it? What animal is that?
Cow.
Cow. Wow, how many cows? 1.
2.
Okay, 2 cows. What's the beginning letter? Letter C. Sounds. Good job. Do you like cows? Do you like? Yeah. Okay, here. What animal is it?
Fish.
Fish. Say the word fish. Fish. What's the color of the fish?
Z.
What's the color?
Blue.
Blue. Do you like fish?
Z.
Yes. What's the beginning letter?
F.
Sounds. Good job. All right. Now let's see. Oh, I can see. What animal is this? Horse. What animal is this?
Cat.
Cat. What animal is this? Chicken. What is it? Eggs. Egg. Okay. What animal is this?
Dog.
Dog. What's the beginning letter? Beginning letter. Dog. Letter D. Sounds. Dog. Do you like dogs?
Z.
Yes, I do. Yes, that's the end of our speaking test. Can you say the word farm? Farm. Very good, farmer.
Farmer.
This is a farm.
Farm.
Very good. Okay, give me. Say goodbye to teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Boo.